Sup guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of the Delta Airlines Boeing 747-400. Alright, so a few background information before we go. So this here airline is obviously Delta for all you big aviation buffs out there like myself. Alliance, Sky Team, aircraft type which is inside the box here, Boeing 747-400. And the manufacturer of this specific model is Gemini Jetz, as you can see here, the Gemini Jetz. And then the specific type as far as the scaling is concerned is the 1400 scale. But I hope soon they manufacture a 1200 scale version of this. Dude, that'll be beast, wouldn't it? Anyways, so let's go to the information. So as you can see here, the livery is Delta Airlines. Okay, so it gives you all this information, you know. So yeah, self-explanatory. Okay, and now without further ado, let's open the scale, or the model, my bad. So here we go. And you want to be real careful here. Okay, this is not some sort of toy that you could buy at Walmart when opening this. This is about this is the real McCoy almost, with all these demarcations. So I'm gonna peel off the box, or the plastic covering. So and there we are. Yeah, she's a beauty, isn't she? And let's zoom in here. All this demarcation. You know, you've got the emergency exit row here. Let's see if they denote the, like, how real this is. Oh, look. The Prime Whitney engines are noted here. Well, job well done, Gemini 1400. Job well done. Alright. And the pimp winglets. You put all these different ideas and concepts together, and you've got a lean, mean flying machine. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. So, until next time, this is Cadet Clark signing off.